Yes, welcome to WYCO-ffee Break, and I am Christopher, IRS Certified Acceptance Agent, Tax Professional, and a business owner. And we are just excited to announce and to give you an update about our performance report, our combined approved EIDL, and together with the PPP for our clients. Almost $100,000 already got approved. And that is a good accomplishment. And thank you guys for trusting our company, the WYCOTAX, to really do all this job for you. And it is just an honor that you guys have trusted us while you're running your business. And I know it's a full-time job, but that's not only the end of our job. Our service is going to be continue until your loans are forgiven. And that is our job and our commitment. That is why we are here for. We will be your right hand to accomplish from A to Z. Okay? And thank you. We're still waiting for other loans that we applied, and let's keep in touch. And for those of you out there who are still have pending PPP or don't know what to do or where to start, we are here. I'm Christopher. We are an outsourced tax, payroll, and bookkeeping company to serve you virtually, over the phone, or whatever means possible, because I know that running a business is an overwhelming job. So you take care of your customers and we will take care of your numbers. Okay? So have a good day, guys.